Hi folks, welcome to day 19 of my holiday vocal advent calendar. We're continuing our multi-day series on diction tricks for a better belt, but you can use these for even just speaking. So today we're focusing on the value of voiceless consonants, whether they can be used for good or evil. So your voiceless consonants include f, s, sh, th, k, p. I think I got all of them. And those consonants can infuse more air into the tone or more breathiness into the tone. And you may or may not want to do that based upon the style you're speaking or singing in. So the main goal here is to be intentional with how much airflow or breathiness you want in the tone. And you can look to those consonants and choose whether to ride the airflow or eliminate it by partially voicing the sounds. So if that sounds overly complex, I want to put that into context for you. So let's take the text, chestnuts roasting on an open fire. So chestnuts roasting on an open fire. There's lots of voiceless consonants in that phrase. You can use that to add more breathiness if you kind of ride the air in the tone. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. If you want to put more air in there. But if that feels uncomfortable or is not right for the style, you can change those consonants to their voiced pair. So instead of chestnuts, it's jesnuds, roasting on an open fire, Jagvrost nibbing at your nose. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jagvrost nibbing at your nose. So you can use that to take the air out of the tone. Now, clearly, you actually have to say the right consonants. So the goal here is to partially voice or partially devoiced. So it sounds like the actual words. But the underlying goal here is to look at the text and see how the consonants may be either serving or inhibiting the sound you are going for. So today, what I'd like you to do is look through your lyrics of your song or some text. You can even practice the days of the week. And you're going to look for consonants that are voiceless, the ones that have air inherently in them, and choose to either ride the airflow or change it to its voiced pair. Now, if you are not familiar with the voiced-voiceless pairs, feel free to DM me Voiceless, and I'll send you a list of them so you can practice on your own. Yeah? Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you for tomorrow's video.